In this video, I will show you how to make super duper realistic Survey Corp jacket from Attack on Titan. First, let's figure out the best size of symbol of the Scout Legion. Before painting on the jacket, you should remove the factory coating from the surface of the jacket with Angel's Leather Prepare Deglazer. After preparing the surface of the jacket, let's make a blueprint of a Scout Regiment.
Yeah.
This Angel's acrylic leather paint is the best paint to paint the symbol of Scout on the leather jacket. There are 3 points of leather painting. First, paint thin and evenly. Second, paint 3 layers to achieve the desired color. Third, before painting the next layer, you need to dry out the paint completely. At this point, I realized that pocket of the jacket is too small for the sewing machine. So I decided to sew the patch of the Scout manually. To fix it on the pocket temporarily, I tried to penetrate this patch with needles again and again, pushing harder and harder. But this small patch is too hard for my sewing needles, so I give up.
Aww.
Instead, I got the idea to fix this patch with stitching. Titan! Titan is over there!